Hello friend, welcome to my Twitter comparison channel. Today we know about Elon Musk. Elon Musk. Who is Elon Musk? See this photograph. He is Elon Musk. His full name is Elon Ravi Musk. He was born on June 28, 1971. A business magnate, industrial designer, engineer, and philanthropist. He is the founder, CEO, CTO, and chief designer of SpaceX. Early investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Incorporated. Founder of the Boring Company. Co-founder of Neuralink, and co-founder and initial co-chairman of OpenAI. He was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society in 2018. Also that year, he was ranked 25th on the Forbes list of the world's most powerful people and was ranked joint first on the Forbes list of the most innovative leaders of 2019. As of October 19, 2020, his net worth was estimated by Forbes to be $91.9 billion, making him the first richest person in the world. He is also longest tenured CEO any automotive manufacturer globally. Now talk about early life and his family. Elon Ravi Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, Transvaal, South Africa. His mother is Mae Musk, a model dietitian born in Saskatchewan, Canada, but raised in South Africa. His father is Errol Musk, a South African electromechanical engineer, pilot, sailor, consultant, and property developer. After his parents divorced in 1980, Musk lived mostly with his father in the suburbs of Pretoria. At the age of 10, he developed an interest in computing while using the Commodore VIC-20. He learned computer programming by himself. Now we talk about his education. Musk attended the University of Pretoria for 5 months, once in Canada. Musk entered Queen's University in 1989, avoiding mandatory service in South African military. He left in 1992 to study economics and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. He graduated in 1997 with a Bachelor of Science degree in economics from the Wharton School and a Bachelor of Arts degree in physics from the College of Arts and Sciences. In 1994, Musk held 2 internships in Silicon Valley during the summer at an energy storage startup called Pinnacle Research Institute, which researched electrolytic ultracapacitors for energy storage, and at the Palo Alto based startup Rocket Science Game. Now we talk about SpaceX. His wonderful work on space science. SpaceX, Mars Oasis and founding of SpaceX. In 2001, Musk conceived Mars Oasis, an idea to land a miniature experimental greenhouse on Mars, containing food crops growing on Martian regolith, in an attempt to reawaken public interest in space exploration. In October 2001, Musk traveled to Moscow with Jim Cantrell. Who is Jim Cantrell? And aerospace supply fixers, and Edio Resi. Who is Edio Resi? His best friend from college, to buy refurbished Nipper intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs) that could send the envisioned payloads into space. The group met with companies such as NPO, Lockheed, and Cosmotors. However, according to Cantrell, Musk was seen as novice and was consequently spied on by one of the Russian chief designers. The group returned to the United States empty-handed. In February 2002, the group returned to Russia to look for 3 ICBMs, bringing along Mike Griffin. Griffin had worked for the CIA venture capital arm in QTEL as well as NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory and was just leaving Orbital Science, a maker of satellite and a spacecraft. The group had another meeting with Cosmotors and were offered one rocket for $8 million. Musk considered the price too high and stormed out of the meeting. On the flight back from Moscow, Musk realized that he could start a company that could build the affordable rockets he needed. Ultimately, Musk founded a SpaceX with the long-term goal of creating a true spacefaring civilization. Musk and President Barack Obama at Falcon 9 launch site in 2010 with $100 million of his early fortune. Musk founded a Space Exploration Technology Corporation, traded as a SpaceX in May 2002. Now, another work of Elon Musk is Tesla Incorporated. Originally, Tesla Motors was incorporated in 1 July 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, who financed the company until the Series A round of funding. Now another work on solar cities. This is also very good works. Musk provided the initial concept and financial capital for Solar City, which was then co-founded in 2006 by his cousin Lyndon and Peter Reeve. By 2013, Solar City was the second largest provider of solar power system in the United States. Here is the list of awards and honors of Elon Musk. Lots of number of awards and National Space Society and very many more awards have on his name. In 2013, Musk named Fortune Business Person of the Year, SpaceX, Solar City and Tesla. Awarded the President Award for Exploration Technology Explorers Clubs at the annual gala on March 16, 2014. A lots of award, you have to just read it. Honor and awards. Now, thanks for visit. Here is a statement. The Information Technology and Innovation Foundation, ITIF, the Information Technology and Innovation Foundation, a Washington DC think tank, awarded its annual Ludwig Award to Robert Atkinson, complained that Musk and others say AI is the largest existential threat to humanity. Atkinson stated that is not a very winning message. If you want to get AI funding out of Congress to the National Science Foundation. Thank you. Hello friend.